Alright, Chapter 12, Contract Work. Chapter 1, General Information. The chapter outlines the LFM responsibility for the control, contract work with the fueling system, with especially tank cleaning, other maintenance, repairs, strict operations, although primarily responsible for the contract requirement. The contract management be coordinated with the team effort to ensure the doing done safely and fuel quality is maintained. Chapter 2, Contract Requirements. Liquid fueling systems are different from the mechanical system. The inexperienced tend to consider these systems same as plumbing and industrial piping. These results could be projects that was super blind, the handling water by failure, sometimes dangerously handling fuel. Fuel unloading facilities tend to fit the category where the air and vapor problems are the pump, the excavation, exposure, sort of mixture problems, power, poorly designed system. The LFM has been special responsibility to ensure the base programmers, designers are aware of the need for the higher specialists to design fuel projects. Additionally, important impressive leadership of the need for the established contractor qualifications before the contracting award for the LFM to provide active contract surveillance and support the contract management. Fuel systems are too mission essential potential dangerous to be left in chance. Responsible for the contractor work with identification of the need for the submitting of the request. The request should be identified with the detailed scope of the work, thoroughly justify the need and the help program to justify the project. The DESC thoroughly screens each of the projects so ensures the essential minimum of the requested for the project will be disapproved. Periodically follow up the request since the base of the finding of the not required installation facility board on one approve the concept. Do not let your project be held back on the facility board due to the lack of the funds on site of the project. Receive the DESC from the major comments may be traced by the DESC website, the Fuels web, DESCDLA.mailbox ASB. DESC pays design except for the minor work for the inspecting and assist the fuel system inserts the design and project be involved with all design meetings and reviews information available open-ended AE design contract is available for the AFSC ESA page. The invitation of the finding of the bids for the invitation for bids for the contract, such as tank cleaning, coating, and welding, must require the contractor to be submitted with evidence for the firm qualified to perform such work. The firm must be provided with a narrative explaining the firm of the qualified along with a specific reference. Example: the 3 similar projects completed with the firm over the past 5 years included the scope work, the applicable size of the tanks, pipes, system capacity, customer names, company owner, and point of contact. Certification of the contractor supervisor is through familiar with the fuel characteristic work safety requirements related to the OSHA requirements, name qualification, either the contractor represents him who will be charged on the work represents the job site, and when the work is being done. Tank engineering supervisor, the LFM the tank entry supervisor will contract the management contracting office provided with the overall coordination of the project. Tank entering supervisor are responsible for advising the contract through the pre-work mentions, but the contract office is known, but the essential heads for the tank and surrounding areas provide the contracting services, the technical matters pertaining to the working, and they immediately advise the contractor inspector for the compliance to safety and environmental requirements, inspecting the contractor's equipment to ensure the working order meets all the applicable regulations. 12.4 Air Force Forms Prescribed or AF 172 Tank Inspection Summary. And now moving on to the attachments.